sa pagkakasundo ng isang pamilya, ng isang bahay, you always have to make compromises.
And then, ma'am, yung decision na ipeg po sa 733 million yung budget ng OVP is because hindi naman po nag-insist ang Vice President and paano yun, ma'am? Hindi nag-insist, wala rin justification.
No, ganito, yan. The real basis is, number one, they are capacitated, okay, to perform their mandate. Number two, in our opinion, remember, this is like the committee's opinion, there are certain programs that we feel may be redundant, okay? And those programs already have the infrastructure to reach out to our countrymen and to give the support needed. And then number three, when we had our committee hearing and subsequent